To earn money on Snapchat Spotlight, you need to create a high-quality, engaging videos that can go viral. Snapchat has a Spotlight Rewards program that compensates creators for their best performing content. And here's a clear guide on how to make money through Spotlight. Spotlight is a Snapchat platform for short, entertaining videos similar to TikTok or Instagram Reels, and Snapchat pays creators based on how well their Spotlight videos perform, which includes metrics like views, engagement, and overall popularity. First of all, you have to create a Snapchat account. And if you do not have an account, sign up and set up a public profile. Enable Spotlight access. Ensure your app is updated. You can verify that by going to Play Store, search for Snapchat application, and if you see an update button, tap on it to update it to its latest version. And after that, you have to enable Spotlight access. Ensure that your app is updated and you have the access to Spotlight feature. And after that, create a short, engaging vertical. You can use Snapchat's editing tool like filters and music to make your content more appealing. And while posting, select Spotlight under the audience option to submit your video. You can create viral-worthy content. Focus on training topics and popular challenges and keep your videos under 60 seconds and visually appealing. Use catchy captions and text overlays to attract attention, and post regularly to boost your chances of going viral. Experiment with different content types to see what resonates with your audience, and you can incorporate trending hashtags in your post to improve discoverability. And make sure that your content compiles with the Snapchat community guidelines to avoid being disqualified. And also do not forget to use the Snapchat Analytics. Review your analytics to identify which videos perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Review your analytics to identify which videos perform the best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Also maximize your earning. And Snapchat pays more for videos that achieve high engagement quickly, and regular posting keeps you relevant and increases likelihood of creating a viral hit. Spotlight rewards are available in many countries, so create content that is appealing to the wide audience. Snapchat will notify if your video qualifies for rewards, and you will need to set up a Snapchat rewards account and provide your payment information. Payments are usually issued after the reward is verified. So stay creative and unique, and the more engaging videos are, the better your chances of going viral. Promote your Spotlight videos on the other platforms like Instagram or TikTok to increase views. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. So this was all about it.